Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone!
Welcome to day 22 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In day 21, you learned emergency English.
And today, we're going to learn how to ask for help in English.
This is very useful in real life, because sometimes you need help, but it is not an emergency. You just need to ask clearly and politely.
In today's lesson, we're going to learn simple English for everyday situations where you need help.
You do not need difficult English. You just need short, polite, useful phrases.
Let's start with some very important phrases. Can you help me?
Can you show me?
Can you tell me?
Can you explain that again?
Can you repeat that, please?
I need some help.
I don't know what to do.
What should I do?
Very good. These phrases are simple but very useful.
If you need help from another person, you can say, "Can you help me?"
If you want someone to show you something, you can say, "Can you show me?"
If you want information, you can say, "Can you tell me?"
If you do not understand, you can say, "Can you explain that again?"
Or, "Can you repeat that, please?"
If you feel lost or confused, you can say, "I need some help."
I don't know what to do.
What should I do?
These questions help you sound polite and natural. They're useful at work, at school, in shops, when traveling, and in daily life.
You can also make your English softer and more polite with small words like, "Excuse me," "Please," "Sorry."
For example, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Can you repeat that, please?
"Sorry, I don't understand."
What should I do now?
When you ask for help, the goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is to be clear, polite, and calm.
That is enough. Simple English can help you in many situations.
In the next part, you're going to listen to full conversations where someone asks for help. Just listen first. Don't repeat yet.
Try to understand the situation. Listen to what help is needed, how we ask for help, and how the other person responds.
Then in the final part, we will practice together.
So stay with us and let's continue. Now you're going to listen to full conversations where someone asks for help. In these conversations, someone needs help in an everyday situation and asks politely.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice the same kinds of situations yourself.
So first, just listen. Understand the situation and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the station.
Okay. Go straight and turn left.
Turn left?
Yes, it's next to the bank.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now let's listen to another example. Sorry, can you show me?
Sure. What do you need help with?
I don't know how to use this machine.
No problem. Press this button first.
This one?
Yes. Then choose your ticket.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
No problem.
Now let's listen to one more example. Excuse me, can you repeat that, please?
Of course. I said the meeting starts at 10.
At 10?
Yes, at 10 in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now another situation. Sorry, I don't understand.
That's okay. What can I explain again?
What should I do after this form?
After the form, go to the front desk. Then wait for your number.
Okay, go to the front desk and wait?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Now one more short conversation. Excuse me, I need some help.
Sure. What happened?
I don't know what to do.
Okay. Can you explain the problem?
I can't find the right platform.
I see. You need platform 4.
Platform 4?
Yes, it's over there.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now let's listen to one more example. Can you tell me something?
Sure. What do you need to know?
What time does the shop close?
It closes at 8.
At 8?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
So, in these conversations, we are using simple English to ask for help politely.
We ask for directions, explanations, instructions, and information.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice the same kinds of situations yourself.
So, first, just listen. Understand the situation and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together. Now that you listen to the full conversations, let's practice the most useful phrases for asking for help.
This time, listen and repeat the key phrases out loud.
This is the moment to speak. And don't worry about being perfect.
Repeat, "Can you help me?"
Repeat, can you show me?
Repeat, "Can you tell me?"
Repeat, can you explain that again?
Repeat, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Repeat, I need some help.
Repeat, "I don't know what to do."
Repeat, what should I do?
Very good.
Now let's practice a few longer phrases.
Repeat, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Repeat, sorry, I don't understand.
Repeat, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Repeat, what should I do now?
Repeat, "Can you show me how this works?"
Excellent.
Now it's your turn. Listen to the situation and answer out loud.
You need directions. What do you say?
You don't understand. What do you say?
You need someone to explain again. What do you say?
You feel lost and need help. What do you say?
You want to know what to do next. What do you say?
Take your time. And answer clearly.
Today, you learned how to ask for help in English.
And this is only day 22.
Tomorrow, we're going to learn common phrases native speakers use.
So you can start sounding more natural in everyday English.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 23.
See you tomorrow.